Puttu is arguably the most classic breakfast dish of Kerala, almost always served with a Kerala kadala curry. It is a humble yet healthy and filling breakfast that takes minimum time and effort to make. Let's get started. The required ingredients are 2 cups of rice flour, half cup of warm water, half cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon of salt. Mix the rice flour and salt well together. Add the water a little at a time and mix with your fingertips. We are looking for a crumbly and moist flour consistency. It should hold that shape when pressed between your fists, but easily crumble when you press it harder. You need to use a steaming pot to make puttu, and the most common is obviously the puttu maker, available exclusively for this purpose. But if you use a bamboo puttu maker, it enhances the flavor even more. First, place this disc inside this bamboo puttu maker and then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons grated coconut to the bottom of the mold. Spoon in the puttu flour until the mold is halfway filled. Then add another layer of coconut and fill up the rest with the flour. Steam for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on the size of your mold. When cooked, unmold by pressing through the mold using a stick. Let it cool down a bit before serving. If you don't want to or don't have time to make a side dish for puttu, just serve with ghee, sugar and banana.